Welcome to this clear and concise tutorial on how to change text orientation in WordPress in just 5 minutes. In this guide, you will be walked through each step in a natural and easy to follow manner, ensuring that you understand every part of the process and can apply the instructions with confidence. First, you should begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the WordPress website. This is your starting point for accessing your site's administrative tools. Once the WordPress homepage loads, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you will find the login option. Clicking on the login button grants you access to the site's management area, and this is essential for making any edits, including text orientation changes. After you click on login, you are presented with several sign-in methods. For this tutorial, you will choose the option labeled Continue with Google. When you select this option, a list of Google accounts associated with your browser will appear. It is important to choose the correct account that has been linked with your WordPress site. This ensures that you are managing the right website and prevents any confusion later in the editing process. Once you have successfully logged into WordPress with your Google account, the next step is to locate the Quick Links section on your WordPress dashboard. Quick Links provide easy access to the most frequently used site functions, and here you will see the option to edit site. Clicking Edit Site transports you to the WordPress site editor, which is the interface where you can customize various aspects of your website's appearance and functionality. Inside the site editor, navigate to the text that you wish to modify. Locating your text is the next key step, and you simply do this by clicking on the text element that you want to change. This action activates a menu of editing options, making it easier for you to see what changes you can apply. The interface is designed to be user-friendly, even for those who are newer to WordPress. After selecting your text, look to the right-hand side of your screen, where you will find the typography section. By clicking on typography, you unlock various settings that control the appearance of your text, such as font style, size, and spacing. The options here are tailored to give you more control so that your text can match your overall site design. Taking your time with this section is advisable, as even small adjustments can significantly impact the visual harmony of your page. Within the typography settings, you will notice an icon that looks like 3 dots. This icon indicates additional options and settings that may not be immediately visible. Clicking on the 3 dots expands the menu, providing access to further functionality regarding your text's styling. In this expanded menu, you will find the orientation option. The orientation setting is the focus of this tutorial. When you click on orientation, a selection of alignment and direction options will become available. This allows you to change the way your text is arranged on the page so that it complements your design and layout perfectly. As you adjust the orientation, you will see the changes reflected immediately on your text, providing you with visual confirmation of your edits. Following these steps carefully ensures that you can confidently adjust text orientation within your WordPress site. By accessing your account through a user-friendly login process, entering the site editor via quick links, and exploring the typography settings to make the necessary adjustments, you complete a series of actions that streamline the editing process, enjoy making your text modifications, and appreciate the improved aesthetics of your website as a result of these changes.